हम
शुरू
जा रहे
करो।
हैं स्पाइस प्लांटेशन वॉक पर। वाह, ये कितनी सुंदर है। 20 मिनट्स की वॉक हो सकती है। या
स्नेक प्लांट।
स्नेक प्लांट,
स्नेक प्लांट।
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
हाँ है।
दिस इज होल जंगल।
नाम क्या है इसका नाम का? कौशल तिवारी ब्लॉग। कौशल तिवारी
कौशल तिवारी ब्लॉग।
इंस्टा पे भी है।
कहाँ से हो आप लोग?
लुक
यूपी
एट दिस।
बरेली।
So you are from South India, right? You guys are comfortable in Hindi, or should I explain? Yeah, since my English is also not that fluent, so I'll be speaking in English.
Okay.
So as you all know, Goa is famous for many things. One of them is cashew. So cashew is not originally from India. It was brought by Portuguese from Brazil. So this is native to Brazil. So this is how cashew looks. So this is a cashew nut. Inside there is a cashew. We separate them, and this nut is sent to factory for further processing. And this is a cashew apple upper part. So these two are separated, and this we in every people in Goa who has a cashew farm, in their backyard they have a distillery to make a cashew feni. So this we make, this part we use this to make a cashew feni. So now we will see how the cashew feni is made. So normally this cashew gives us three types of drinks. The first one that we get after squeezing it, that is juice. Anybody can drink it. Small kids, older people, anyone can drink it. The other two are liquors. They are in liquor form. So the first one is urrak, the second one is fen. We keep it for fermentation for 2 to 3 days in drums. Like this, we fill drums with this cashew juice. Once it gets fermented after 2 to 3 days, we transfer that juice to this pot. In this pot, and fire is lit under this pot. Now that fermented juice will pass through this pipe in the form of vapors, and it will get collected in this smaller pot, and we put continuously cold water on this pot. And the first distilled which we get, it is a urrak. It is called as urrak in Goa, which contains 10 to now second is a process of feni making. So now we again collect that urrak. We fill that urrak, fill this pot with 50% of urrak, and the rest of the 50% pot is filled with again fermented juice. Both are mixed, and the second distill which we get, that is a cashew feni, which has 40 to 45% of alcohol, which is very hot in nature. In Goa, we consume feni as a medicine only up till 5 ml. That is 1 tablespoon. If we have to consume it in large quantity, then we are supposed to dilute it with water or डबल हमें पानी या फिर सोडा मिला के पीना है, अगर ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में किसी को एज ए अल्कोहल या फिर एज ए एंजॉयमेंट पीना है तो अगर 5 ml में कंज्यूम करते हैं तो बस मेडिसिन का काम करती है वो। जो क्रीपर है, दिस इज अ ब्लैक पेपर क्रीपर. These are the pepper. So these are the pepper. So this creeper gives us 4 types of pepper, that is green, red, black and white. So as you can see on this, it is the one which we use as a spice. Black color, black pepper.
One tree is all over. Huh?
This creeper, it comes in a small bunches, like how the grapes